famous place to visit in Shinjuku, Tokyo. Shinjuku is the one of the biggest city in Japan. And I'm sure if you come to Japan, you wanna come to visit Shinjuku. But there's so many places you can go. But today I'm gonna show you 5 places you cannot miss if you come to Shinjuku. And the last spot, oh my god. All the single girlies, men out there, you have to keep watching until the last spot. Because I know when you come to Japan by yourself or single friend, you feel lonely sometimes. And for them, we have a special place for you to visit. I'm Love from TJT, and today I'm gonna take you to the tour with me in Shinjuku. Let's go! So the first spot is Omoide Yokocho. This is the place that went so famous on the TikTok, Instagram, so I'm sure everybody saw this street before on TikTok. If you come at night, there's a light up and it's so beautiful to take a photo and you can post on TikTok or Instagram. And there's a little funny story about this Omoide Yokocho. This Omoide Yokocho used to be named as Peace Alley, which is Shonben Yokocho in Japanese. It's because long time ago they didn't have a toilet in here and people just randomly pee on the street. That's why this street smell like pee. That's why they called it Pee Alley before. But right now they changed the name as Omoide Yokocho, such as Memorial Lane, and it's so beautiful now. But Peace Alley, I think I like the sound better more. I'm working through the Omoide Yokocho right now, but yeah, there's so many places where you can pee, like without them to knowing you peeing. And if I were you, I would choose somewhere around here. As you know, in Japan, they don't allow you to smoke on the street. So if you want to smoke, find a nearest smoking area, like the one closest to the station. And whenever I always see some sticker on the wall, I always stop because it's so funny to look at it. Look, this guy, he wants you to follow his Instagram. Check out his account, okay? This is the first 3D art advertisement in Japan. And there's a cute cat waiting for you in Shinjuku station. And there's a thing, so in the morning, you're gonna see the cat doing a stretch. Like, oh, good morning everyone, doing a stretch, morning yoga. And at lunchtime, the cat is playing with a toy. And at night, you see the cat singing or just saying something to you from the screen. And it's honestly so cute. But what I recommend you to come is at night. Even if you come on the morning and lunchtime, it's still cute. If you come at night, there's a dark sky, and with this light, it's outstanding and it makes even more prettier. It's honestly so cute. How the cat it melts my heart. So all the cat lover out there, you have to come to this spot, okay? If you come on the weekend, this street is gonna get blocked. So you don't have to worry about the car passing through you. You can just, take a time and take a picture with this little cute cat, okay? And after you walk past by the cat, you're gonna find the kitty store. So kitty store is the place where they sell Hello Kitty, My Melody, Kuromi-chan, lots of cute stuff. So, Hello Kitty is a cat. So if you like cats, you're also gonna have to come to Kittyland. Kittyland is this one. It's the second floor of this building. Kittyland is this one, and they have really cute Hello Kitty stuff. And one of my friends, he got Hello Kitty piercing for his girlfriend, and it was so cute. And after you see the cat advertisement, you walk across the street and you keep straight, keep going. And then once you cross another street, that's where is the Kabukicho at. It's where all the party animals gather, like me. And welcome to Kabukicho, the city never sleeps. And what you can do in here, there's so many izakaya or place to eat around here. Of course, place to drink. We're in Japan, we're in Tokyo. You're gonna have to drink a lot every day, okay? And also, this place has so many bars and also so many nightclubs, pretty much famous spot that you can do. And also, this is the Japan's biggest red light district. So if you go through a tiny alley, you see the place that is sexy girl standing in the outside of street, calling you, say, come here. Okay, let's walk through the Kabukicho together. This building behind me, you're gonna see big Godzilla on top of the roof. Oh my god, so scary, so scary. And this Godzilla, once in 1 hour, the eyes are lighting up. There is a kind of fire or light from his mouth, but it happens only once in 1 hour. So if you want to see it, make sure to come like 8 p.m., 9 p.m., 10 p.m. Like exact on time. You're not gonna miss it. Or you can stay 1 hour in this Shinjuku Kabukicho to see the Godzilla lighting up. And I've been living in Tokyo for 25 years. My house is literally 15 minutes away from Shinjuku station, okay? I've only seen it one time. So you know how rare is it, okay? So if you get to see it, you are so lucky. And you see it because I gave you the information, so you're welcome. This is the karaoke con, okay? So, you know in Japan, there is a last train about like midnight. And if you miss the last train, what you can do is go back home with paying so much money with a taxi or stay up all night in Shinjuku. And that's what Japanese people do. We stay up all night until the first train. And this is the place where we're gonna go, karaoke. We love singing. We're shy people, and I'm a shy people. I'm a shy girl. But when I'm drunk, my personality completely changed. And we go to karaoke, party all night, sing all night with your friends. So it's so nice. But so you're in Japan right now, so they might don't have like English songs in karaoke, but they have the famous song like Oasis, Justin Bieber, Katy Perry, Taylor Swift. They also have some Spanish songs too. So I'm sure you can kill some time in here if you come with your friends or by yourself. And this is the thing about Japan. We go to karaoke by myself. I go to karaoke by myself too sometimes because I'm shy. I don't want people to hear my singing. So you just go by yourself to enjoy, to sing, and nobody's gonna judge you. And this is the club number 2. This club is actually open recently. I think it's been 2 years. It opened right after the COVID. And you're gonna have to go like down basement floor, like 3 or 4th floor. So it's really in the underground. But the music sounds so good. And they usually play techno, house, sometimes hard techno. I love techno so much. So it's the perfect place for me to go. I mean like, this is me at night every single weekend. But the music is so good. Sometimes I have to pay kind of overpriced money to get inside because it's a new club. But it's definitely worth it. If you come to Shinjuku, you have to visit this one at least one time. Okay. Hi, Soma. So he's today's my cameraman. Say hi.
I'm cameraman of Love-chan. She's so cute. Shooting, next spot. Let's go.
So right now I'm at the Kabukicho Tower. This building built in 2023 and it opens right after the COVID. So it's a new building. And let's go to see what's inside of the Kabukicho Tower. When you get to the upstairs, there is so many izakaya inside of the Kabukicho building, and it's just so cool. Look at this! There's so many places to eat, and it actually looks really pretty. And when I came here last time, there is a stage in here, and people are playing music at night, and you can actually go to the stage and dance with them. Of course, I'm a professional dancer. I have to show off myself. So I danced there before, but I don't do it right now because you have to pay for it. It's not a free concert. There's the same theme like Izakaya Street in Shibuya. We call it Shibuya Yokocho. And this is like a Shinjuku version of Shibuya Yokocho. It's like Shinjuku Yokocho. And there's so many izakaya and each place has famous food. like Chinese food or Hiroshima food, Osaka food, Tokyo food, Hokkaido food. So you can choose, depends on what you want to eat. And when you go again upstairs, I think we're in the third floor. There's an arcade in here, and it looks like I'm in an anime movie right now. There's so many gacha gacha in here. You know, like I've been obsessed with the gacha gacha for a long time, and I think it was last year. I spent $200 for gacha gacha because I couldn't decide what I wanted to get it, and I ended up getting everything. But it's so cute. This is what heaven will look like. These are the things that I really find is so cute in gacha gacha. Like there's like a mini version of the actual like food, drink, the snack that they have in Japan. This is like a vegetable juice. And it's so cute. Of course, we're in Japan. We drink all the time. Easy. Even when you're arcade, you can drink. And I'm sure everybody knows Mario Kart. And then if you go to any arcade in Japan, they have the machine that you can actually drive like Mario Kart game in the real life. And it's so much fun, and you can play with your friends and you can share the fun time together. And oh my god, I'm so surprised. In this arcade place, you can drink Japanese sake, Nihonshu. I've never seen any arcade that is offered Japanese sake. It's so crazy. And they have really a lot of sake. And you can see the flavor, how dry it is, how sweet it is in here. So it's easy to decide. So my favorite sake, it's called Suige, famous in Kochi Prefecture. So if you have any chance, please try this one. This is so good. Should I drink it now? Should I or no? I'm still working, but it's so nice. That side is also one of the most famous Nihonshu, like sake in Japan. And people drink it for the celebration, like when they have something to celebrate. So this one's also, you should try it when you're in Japan. So what you can do in this Kabukicho Tower, where we are at the third floor, this is Namco Tokyo, which is an arcade. And you can do gacha gacha, playing game, you can play Mario Kart game. It's just so much fun to come with your friends or even by yourself. And if you go to one up, it's the Tokyo Matrix Immersive Attraction. I think it's something that you can actually enjoy. You can actually feel what you can do in here. And it's like attraction, so I think you get onto some kind of ride and you experience what it feels like to be in the Matrix world. It's cool. Fifth floor, there is a gym, casino, even they have a sauna in this building. Wow. Sushi. So good. And on the 6th floor and 9, 10, it's a movie theater. So you can watch a movie in here too. 17th floor, it's, 17, that's pretty high. It's a dining, bar, terrace. I don't know what is like gelateria, I don't really know, but you can eat and drink in here. And from the 18th floor, it's a hotel, so you can also stay in here if you want. Welcome to Shinjuku. This is the place where it's always chaotic. And right now, we're seeing some random guy sleeping on the street. This is the thing about Japanese people with a manner. His shoes is like sitting like perfectly right next to him. It's so funny. Good night, Grandpa. So right now, we're heading to Golden Gai. It's a bar street. But this is where the most chaotic place in Shinjuku. You just see like a bunch of people sitting and drinking on the outside. It's not really good for the manner, and we all know it. But they just don't listen to the police or the people say no to them. So we just leave them. If you come on the weekend, you see so many people hanging around in here. Maybe it's nice to hang in now with them, but don't get too close with them. You might get in some trouble. So be careful, okay? So right now, you were spotting some girls wearing really cute outfit and standing the side of the street. And this is a place where you can go and talk to the girls that you like, that you found pretty, but you have to pay a little bit overpriced money to talk to them. And this is the thing about Japanese culture. We have so many places where you can go and talk to the girls. You pay their drink, you pay extra money for them to talk to you. It's like having a fake relationship with the girls. So many men go there a lot. And it's actually sad thing about this, our culture, but this is so normal in Japan. So make sure to be aware of it if you come to Japan, because some people find it really weird or strange and have some kind of like depression when they saw it. Why shouldn't be normal, but this is the one culture that we have in Japan. So yeah, this is the spot that I said to you in the beginning. All the single girly and single boys will be excited to hear about. And in Japan, especially in Shinjuku, we have big red light district around here. And if you see some place like this, the one behind me, this is the place where you can go and ask them, is there any place where I can see the girl? See the girl. And they'll give you some place and you can go and actually talk to the girl, drink with the girl, and maybe do even something a little bit more. And we have so many places like this in Shinjuku. And this is also one of the culture we have in Japan, that a lot of men who's in a relationship, they go to this kind of place because they think it's not a cheating because they pay the money for it. But for me, it's absolutely disgusting. So if you are in relationship, do not go there. Do not even try to go there. If you're single, you're more than welcome, I think. Yay! Right now we're in Golden Gai. And in Golden Gai, in such a tiny district, they have more than 200 bars gathered in here. So, and each place is really tiny. So maybe it can only fit 5 people. And there is one in the second floor and one in the basement. So it's really, hard to find a place. But it's so much fun to just walk around and see what they have in here. So let's go check it out. This is the map of a Golden Gai. And oh my god, there's so many of them in here. And they just give you the name. So I don't know where to go. This is the perfect makeout spot. So if you get drunk and if you find someone pretty or handsome, if you want just to bring them to here. Perfect. Thank me later. The cat. So cute. And usually, almost every bar has a charge. That means like once you get inside, you have to pay about 600 yen to 800 yen, even though you're not drinking or eating anything. It's just respect for the shop. And some place doesn't have it, so make sure if you go there, check before that they have a charge that you have to pay or not. So that's the end of our video. Thank you for watching, everyone. In Shinjuku, you can enjoy daytime and you can also enjoy at nighttime. There's 2 different ways to enjoy. If you know, you know. So make sure when you come to Shinjuku, just spend the whole day and just experience all the things that we recommend you to go today. I hope you guys gonna have a lovely stay in Shinjuku. I'll see you in the next video. Travel Japan together. Love.